Atsyuta na pungeni king katlong bengi ning simbang bengi, kambe da rin kay katamong panalangin at sariling kayadwanan kaniting Santa Misa, iabe tala po ring makatuking intensyones at ding panalangin ding kay katamong sponsors. Para ka rin kay katamong lay sponsors kaniting kabengyan, Engineer Ramon and Mrs. Corazon Ramin, Rizali Dizon, Aileen, Marion, Nathan, and Maria Cassandra Torres, Helen Lingat and family, Harris, Marjorie, and Clark Garcia, Jenny Pilaw, Carlo and Marisa Ong and family, Luis and Betty Rivera and family, Roland and Milin Lumba and family, Manuel and Marisa Gomez and family. Para po karing katamong mass intentions, kapasalamatan ng Mayor Teddy and Mrs. February Tumang, Chris and Rona Gomez and family, Jose Pepe Hizon, Belina Katigbak and family, Edgard and Lourdes Pineda and family, Ryan and Sel Martinez and family, Ronald and Agnes Lau and family. Para king special intentions ng Deeds and Lita David and family, Villamor and Rizalina Tolentino and family, Maria Lorena Pamintuan, Rita Estoya, Mark Adrian Nagit, Calma family, Mr. and Mrs. Aldrey Dizon, Khalil Micaela Cabalya, Tricia Anday Reed, Christopher Mandap, Rosalie Kagungun. Para king healing ng Elmiron Quillo, para king speedy recovery ng Angel Fajardo, Remedy Mateo, Angelina Lising, para king Kaladwada Ridomingo Sr., Lizelle, Erlinda, Domingo Jr., Giancarlo, Leopoldo, Juana, Alfredo, Natividad, Nelia, Estrelita, at ding sablang kaladwa, king Purgatorio. Kaniti pong katlong bengi ning simbang bengi, ding kay katamo pong offerors, ministry on organization, apin po ring officers and members ning missionary families of Christ. Para po karing kay katamong barangay, ding kay katamo pong kaparokya, Manibatan King Parian Norte. Para po king kay katamong sectoral group na offerors kaniting kabengyan, ring pong kay katamong kaparokya na businessmen and businesswomen. Paganaka po, para po king solemning selebrasyon ning kay katamong Santa Misa, agkatanda po ring sabla na makyabe po king pamakibat, karing pakibat ning Santa Misa, at antimurin po, makyabe tamo po, king mitmong siwala, magkanta, kayabe da rin kay katamong koro. Nung malyari po, ilagay tala po rin kay katamong cellphones, king silent mode.